Hi, welcome back to BKM Tech and Gadgets. My name's Kevin, so I'm just out on a walk in the woods. So I hope everybody's all good. So if you could like, subscribe and hit the notification bell on my channel, that would be much appreciated. So the next video I'm going to do is the DJI Mavic Air, the 5 best reasons to buy the Mavic Air in 2020. So that video is coming up now, so enjoy the video. I'm going to continue and do my walk. Let's hit the intro. Hi, so welcome back then to my channel BKM Tech and Gadgets with the DJI Mavic Air drone. So I'm going to give you the 5 best reasons why you should buy this drone in 2020. So the first reason is the durability and the compact size of this drone. So you know, the size is tiny. It's about 6.5 at 3 times 2 inches and weighs 430 grams. So this is it outside, unfolded. So this is the drone. So when it is folded up, it's really compact in size. So I'm just going to fold it up. So that's it folded up in my hand, and that's it sitting there in the palm of my hand, the DJI Mavic Air drone. So portable in size. So I'll just open it again. So that's it, fully opened there. So as you can see, it is really small and portable. So it also has a nice shell case. So this is the case that it comes with. So this is, you know, the shell case to protect it, from knocks, and very portable. So I'll just open that for you. So there it is. That's the case it comes with. Again, so portable. So I'll just fold it up. It's just so easy to transport. So I'm just going to put it in its case. So that's it in the case, as you can see. And that's it zip top. And it has got the DJI logo on there as well. With the case as well, it has got this elastic stretch there. So the controller. So this is the controller that you get with it, as you can see there. So if you wanted to, you could put the controller in the side if you don't want to carry a lot of equipment with you. So that's it. You could go out with just the drone and the controller in the side. So, like I said, it's really practical. It's so portable. You can take it on holiday for a quick shoot, and also fit into a small camera bag with the protective shell that comes with it. Also, it's very stable in the air as well. So because of the weight, you know, it weighs 430 grams. It's very stable in the air, so you shouldn't have many problems with wind, or if you're going anywhere where it's windy. Okay, so it's very good in windy situations. So the second reason is, well, the batteries. So if you go out and buy Flymo combo pack, you do get 2 extra batteries with the DJI Mavic Air drone. Okay, so that would be the best buy if you was going to buy this drone in 2020, to go for the Flymo combo pack. So the flight time on this drone is recommended by DJI is 21 minutes, but in reality you're going to get between 16 and 17 minutes, which is still good, obviously. Like I said, go for the combo pack. You'll get those 2 extra batteries, so you get that extended flight time with this amazing drone. Third reason why you should still buy this drone in 2020 is the high quality images. It's 1080p and 4K, and your 2.7K as well. So it shoots at 30 frames per second. 100 megabits is the video rate as well, so you're going to get good high quality video footage with this drone as well. So it takes 12 megapixel photos as well on this drone. So the lens is a 35mm format, equivalent to 24 millimeters. So you're going to get some really good photos with this drone as well. So the aperture on this drone is 2.8. You can change the shutter speed to suit your situation and get those quality shots. The fourth reason is this is an easy drone for a beginner who's just getting into the first drone. Like I said, if you're a beginner drone pilot, go for the Flymo combo. Okay, so that's a really good package. You can get that at Amazon at the moment for about $7.99, and the Mavic on its own, if you're just going to buy the drone on its own, is coming in at about $649. But also check all the websites for the best deals, as the Mavic Air 2 is out now. Fifth reason to buy this drone as well, it's really easy to fly. Got the quick shots, you've got the droney, you've got the circle, you've got the helix, you got the rocket, boomerang and asteroid. So you can still get those professional shots from this drone. Also it does have a sport mode on the remote, so you can flick it into sport mode and you do go up to 42 miles an hour. Okay, but obviously be careful how you're flying the drone at that speed, because it is quite, you know, quite fast as well. So those are my 5 best reasons why you should still buy this drone, the Mavic Air, DJI Mavic Air in 2020. I know the Mavic Air 2 is out, but like I said, if you're a beginner drone pilot, this is going to be the best option for you, which still gives you quality pictures and also quality video footage as well on this drone in 4K and 1080 as well. So all in all, this is still an amazing drone to buy in 2020 for the beginner and the intermediate drone pilot. So, you know, it is a really good drone to buy. So I hope everybody has enjoyed this video on the DJI Mavic Air. Let me know in the comments below if you will buy this drone in 2020. So if you could subscribe and comment on my channel, and check out my videos and new videos coming on BKM Tech and Gadgets. So have a nice day, and I'll see you all soon on BKM Tech and Gadgets.